Dear students, in the last lecture we have seen encryption, the basic terms that are used in the encryption and private key and public key cryptography. Today we will see data encryption standard. So that is DES. DES uses a symmetric key cryptography. It is a block cipher, means it encrypts the data in the blocks of 64 bit of the plain text. Here the plain text is divided into 64 bits of blocks that is given to the DES, and this DES converts that plain text into the 64 bit cipher text. For that, key is used, and that key is of 56 bit key. Okay, so the plain text is divided into various blocks of 64 bit, and each block is given to the DES algorithm, and the DES convert into the cipher text. Okay, actually the key used is the 64 bit, but some of the bits are not used from the key. For example, the bits 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and 64 bit are discarded. That is why, because the 8 bits are discarded from 64 bits, so we have using the 56 bit key for the encryption. So how the DES work? DES is based on the two fundamental attributes of the cryptography, that is called as the substitution and transposition. That is also called as the confusion and diffusion. So DES consists of 16 steps, and each of which is called as the round. So each round performs the step substitution and transposition. We will see with example here. Here the first step is 64 bit plain text is given to the initial permutation. Okay, so this initial permutation breaks this 64 plain text as left plain text, that is LPT, and right plain text, that is RPT. So this each of these left plain text goes through these 16 rounds of the permutation, and for that 16 rounds the key is provided. Again the right plain text is again go to the 16 rounds of the permutation. For that the keys are provided, and after that it gives the final permutation, that is FP. Okay, and it gives the 64 bit cipher text. Okay, so these are the steps. First, the 64 bit plain text is given to the initial permutation. It breaks that initial permutation as left plain text and right plain text, and this left plain text goes through the 16 rounds of the 16 rounds, and key is provided for each round. Likewise, the right plain text goes to the 16 rounds and keys are provided. Then it provides the output as final permutation FP, and then it provides the 64 bit cipher text. So these are the broad level steps in DES. Okay.